Welcome to this lesson on before and after, also known as sequence words. Sequence words help us describe the order of events. They tell us which thing happened first and which thing happened next. In this lesson, we will learn how to use these important words in English. There are two main categories of sequence words. The first category is before. Words like before, previously, earlier, and prior to all show us events that happened in the past. The second category is after. Words like after, later, subsequently, and following show us events that happen next or in the future. These two categories help us organize our thoughts and make our speaking clearer. Let's look at how to use the word before. Before means something happened first in time. For example, we can say before I ate breakfast, I drank coffee. This tells us that drinking coffee happened before eating breakfast. Another example is she worked here previously. This means she had a job there in the past, but not now. Before and previously both show us events that have already passed. Now let's learn about the word after. After means something happened next or following something else. For example, we can say after I ate breakfast, I went to work. This tells us that going to work happened after eating breakfast. Another example is subsequently we learned the rules. This means we learned the rules as the next thing that happened. After and subsequently help us show what came next in the sequence of events. It is important to understand the key differences between before and after. Before describes what happened first and gives us a past reference point. After describes what happened next and gives us a following reference point. When you use before, you are looking backward in time. When you use after, you are looking forward in time or describing what comes next. Both words help us explain the order of events clearly. Let's visualize how these sequence words work on a timeline. Imagine event 1, then event 2, then event 3 happening in order. Before helps us talk about event 1. After helps us talk about event 2 and event 3. By using these words, we can show exactly when things happened. This makes our communication much clearer and more organized. Now let's practice with some real examples. First example, before the meeting, she reviewed the notes. This shows that reviewing notes happened before the meeting. Second example, he graduated. After that, he found a job. This shows that finding a job happened after graduation. Third example, previously I lived in a small town. This tells us about a past situation. By practicing with these examples, you can start using sequence words naturally. Let's review the key points from this lesson. First, before and after show the order of events and help us understand which thing happened first. Second, using sequence words makes your writing and speaking much clearer and easier to understand. Third, the best way to learn is to practice using these words in your daily conversations. Start using before and after today, and you will become more confident in your English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.